everyone, so today we're going to be doing a video I haven't done in quite a while, but there is going to be a little bit of a twist with it. So today we're actually going to be doing a Boxycharm unboxing, which I have not done in probably about, I don't know, maybe like 9 months or something like that, maybe 8 months. I honestly can't remember the last time I did a Boxycharm unboxing, and I got my Boxycharm box today, and you know, I'd kind of been hoarding all of my boxes, putting all the stuff together because I thought, oh, maybe I'll do like a big catch-up video on all the things that I've gotten. And I got today's box and I was just like, wow, what the Boxycharm, what? In the actual. So this video is going to be a little bit different. It's going to be more of a rant type video. So if you are not here for negative or ranty type videos, I am very sorry. You can click out of this one. There are other videos on my channel to watch that are much more happy and upbeat and positive, because I tend to keep everything pretty, pretty positive on my channel. I don't really talk about a whole bunch of negative things or anything like that, because I don't know, I'm not that type of person. But when I got my Boxycharm box today, I was just like, what? Are you serious? So if you guys want to see what I got in my Boxycharm box, then please keep watching. So we're just gonna jump right into it. So the theme this month was Dare to Dazzle. I have to say, for the longest time, Boxycharm's like themes never really made much sense. When I first started with Boxycharm, I could see like the themes and things like actually made sense. Now everything's just so like random and generic, like anything could fit with that. So I think that this might be the Luxe box, but I can't remember just because I haven't been keeping up with all these boxes, and it's kind of a bad sign if you can't tell if the box is a Luxe box or not. Usually I can tell because the box tends to be a lot bigger, but this one, yeah, I would say this is pretty much like a standard like Boxycharm like size box. So when I was getting it, I thought it was just like one of the regular monthly boxes, until I opened it up and I was like, oh, there's a lot of stuff in here that seems like there's more than usual. And then that's when it clicked. I'm like, oh, this is my Luxe box. So usually they say the variations and on the little card here, which I have been so far out of it, like I don't even know, but there's like a whole serial code now. So I don't know if this is how they're doing their box numbering now. Like it used to be like, okay, you'd have variation like, oh, 1 through 7. Now it's like you have like variations like 1 through 42 or something. But now this one says C21064884-LX. I think the LX is for Luxe. Yeah, so let me just show you what's in my box. I'm just gonna go down the list really quickly, because typically the way I'd like to do these is I'd get the box, I'd open it up on camera, I'd test out all the makeup products on camera, let you know what I think about them. There's no way I can do that with this video because I literally have one makeup product. One actual makeup product in this entire box. Not only in just a regular Boxycharm box, but a Boxycharm Luxe box. I have one makeup item. So to just cut to the chase, I will share with you the one singular makeup product item. It's NARS, and I got the blush, and I got it in the color Orgasm, which is like NARS' like most popular, most famous, iconic product ever. So here is the little blush, compact. It's like very nice, it's pretty, it's a beautiful color, I love it. Okay, cool, nice. How much does this retail for? Let's see, $30. Okay. Awesome, cool. So let's just go through the rest of the stuff that I got in here. Okay, so the next thing I got, this is the next thing that you could probably most count as like a makeup item, but I don't even count this as a makeup item because it's not an actual makeup product. It's just a makeup tool. So this is from Luxie, and this is called the Florals Brush Set. Now I do have to say, I think this is really cute. Number one, it comes in a little purple pencil case, kind of like this. I love the case a lot. For the one thing though, like the colors of the brushes are very beautiful. This is like one of the caps just went flying. This is one of my favorite colors ever. It matches my nails perfectly, so I actually really like the brushes, and I'm a big fan of Luxie. I've never purchased anything outside of what I've gotten from Boxycharm just because I get so much from Boxycharm. So this set retails for $40. That's really steep. I would never pay $40 for this. What it came with was a mini sponge, little beauty sponge. So this is like one you could probably use for like your under eye, and it came with 4 brushes. Now, but yeah, not worth $40 at all. Not worth $40. Okay, so now everything else I got in my box is either a skincare type product or a lifestyle type product. This is from Elemis, called the Superfood AHA Glowing Cleansing Butter. It is a pumpkin glow facial cleanser. So, oh wow, this is pumpkin orange. Wow, okay. It retails for $38. Probably would have never purchased that on my own. Okay, this is from Pure Heals by Nature Village. It's called the Real Rose Petal Sleeping Masks. This one retails for $55. Whew, that's pretty high up there. So this is what it looks like. It is a rose petal sleeping mask. I'm not a huge fan of rose, to be honest, so that's kind of a little bit of a bummer. I do like sleeping masks, but oh my gosh. Okay, so next, let's see. Okay, this is one of the kind of like lifestyle type products. This is from the Lifestyle Co. Los Angeles. It's called Purifying Sage with Lavender. At first I thought this was like a setting spray, and I was like, oh, okay, well, a setting spray, yeah, that's nice. But then I was reading, it's a cleansing room spray. I don't know what a cleansing room spray is, but this retails for $49. Hell no. $49 for a cleansing room spray? No. Okay, so yeah, what does it say? Refresh your home with the sage in a bottle. It aids in boosting your immune system, improves your mood, and cleanses your home. $49 is a big F no. Okay, the next product, this is from Aromatherapy Associates. This is called the Revive Body Gel, Energize and Awaken. It just looks like this. It's a body gel. Okay, what is that? Is it a lotion? Let me see what it says. Enjoy the naturally exhilarating properties of this Revive Body Gel for skin that feels refreshed and smooth. High concentrations of the finest essential oils of juniper berry, deliciously invigorating grapefruit, and stimulating rosemary to help promote an even skin texture and boost energy. Did I say how much this retails for? $46. Eek. Okay, next I got a Dr. Brandt product, which I've gotten a million Dr. Brandt products from Boxycharm. I've actually never heard of that brand until I started Boxycharm. So this is a triple antioxidant face cream, and this one retails for $64. Now the one thing I do like is whenever I get moisturizers, because they do typically tend to send like good brands I've heard of and stuff before. So this is what it looks like. It's very small. It's just a face cream. I'm sure it's fine. I'm sure it's great. But again, like I said, I have so much stuff that I literally can't use up, and I think it's time to cut the cord, man. Okay, and the final product, this one really just kind of like, it's kind of like a big FU to me, almost, really. So this is from a brand called AMNH Skincare. Never heard of it. And this is called the Starry Collagen Eye Pads. So it is a set of 5 pairs of just like little under eye patches. I like those. I don't use them too often. I'll use them on like a special occasion or something. But on day to day, I don't use them. They're just too much effort and I don't have time for that. But these retail for $32. Are you kidding me? $32. Now you do get 5 pairs, but still, I would not pay $32 for this at all. I mean, I literally have some Korean ones that you get 60 pairs of them, and you can get that for like $5. And they're great, and they do the exact same thing. They depuff your under eyes, they make you feel like you're really doing something. $32 for 5 pairs? No. Thank you. All right, so that is everything I got in my Boxycharm box. Okay, so let's see. What would the value of this box be? Now, the Boxy Luxes, I think, are like $50, $49, something like that. So I paid $50 for all this. I have to add this up in post. I don't have my phone right here, but let's see. $38, $30, $40, $55, $49, $46, $64, $32. So here is my grand total of the value of my Boxycharm box. I am really actually very let down. This has got to be the worst. This is the worst Boxycharm box I have ever gotten. Mainly because, not because the products suck or they're not good or anything like that, but it's literally no makeup. I'm sorry. I did not subscribe to a skincare box. I don't mind getting one skincare product out of like 5 or 6 products on a regular box, but this is a Luxe box, and I did not get anything but a blush. A blush, you guys, one blush. Boxycharm is a makeup subscription box, but almost everything I've gotten in here is like an actual skincare product. And the other thing I just can't stand with Boxycharm is I will get like a cleanser for like 4 months in a row, and there's no way I can use up that much. So I like skincare, but I don't like this much skincare. Honestly, I've said this a million times, like I think it's time for me to cancel Boxycharm, and I think now I really just, I need to. It sucks because my payment just went through for the 3-month payment that I do. So I've got 2 months after this one, and I think I'm absolutely canceling. And I don't mean to seem like so negative about it, but honestly, I subscribe to a makeup box, and when you are not getting makeup in your makeup box, it's very frustrating. Backlogged with skincare products from Boxycharm, there's literally like no way I can use all of this stuff up in probably even like 3 years is probably how far out I am with all the skincare product, but it's too much. It's too much. And especially when I subscribe to a makeup box and I get one makeup product in my entire makeup subscription box, that really irritates me. I'm sorry, I'm so mad right now. I need to like take a moment and take a deep breath. Okay, let's continue on. And especially the last few months, I feel like it would be very, very hit or miss. Like a lot of times I'd be getting beauty products that were from brands I've never heard of and things that looked very cheap and very not that great. See, that's the other thing about Boxycharm is I feel like they're really good at putting brands you've never heard of that have these ridiculously high price tags that I would never purchase to make me feel like I'm getting a really good deal. Like, oh, look at this luxurious $46 body cream or body gel. But it's like, it's from a brand I've never heard of, something I probably could not even go buy in a store. I don't know, maybe I need to go on and see what other people have gotten in their boxes because I'm just so confused. You guys, I'm sorry. I have been needing to cancel Boxycharm for the longest time, honestly. It was really fun when it started out and I liked making the videos, but even you guys don't like watching my Boxycharm videos. And that was very obvious. It was not getting many views. Maybe it was the way I was doing it. Maybe it's just because there's so many Boxycharm videos out there. There are so many. Also, I get them very, very late. So anytime I would have uploaded them anyway, everybody's already seen everything. So I sound really bitter, don't I? But I'm not really bitter about that, honestly. It was just like, after a while, I'm like, okay, it's not really worth my time and effort to put all this time into filming and doing a look and testing out the products to get like 10 views on a video. So I stopped doing those. I do still have a whole bunch. I might do one last Boxycharm video with like kind of showing like a roundup of like everything that I've gotten in the last 9 months or however long it's been since I've uploaded a monthly video. I will think on that because I have gotten some good products, like singular good products, but then there have been things where I'm just like, okay, I'm getting more crap than I'm getting good stuff that I'm really excited about. There's so few things that I get that I'm like, oh my god, I've been wanting this, I've been wanting to try it, I can't wait. It's a lot of the times it's like getting stuff where it's like, oh, this is cool, I've heard of this, I've never bought it, I've never tried it, I probably wouldn't buy it for myself, but it's cool to have now and I can't wait to use it. But I've also got 5 other moisturizers that I've already got, so maybe I'll get to it. So yeah, that is what I got in my Boxycharm box, and yeah, I think this is like the last straw for me. I think that I'm going to cancel Boxycharm now. Unfortunately, my cycle did just restart, so this is the first of my 3-month cycle, so I have 2 more boxes after this. Unless those just absolutely blow my mind, which, spoiler alert, I doubt they will, especially with just being like the regular, you know, boxes. Like the Luxe box is what's supposed to be like mind-blowing, and they have changed all of their stuff where you can do like the premium boxes and get all the good stuff. It's like, I don't want to pay an extra however much it is every month to finally get the good stuff. So I think it's time for me to break up with Boxycharm. And yeah, I mean, it was fun while it lasted, but I have amassed so much stuff that I just don't know. I just don't know when I will get to it, and I think that it's time for me to call it quits on Boxycharm. So I'm sorry if this video was very ranty and very whiny and very bitter or bitchy or whatever people may think about this video. This is just me being very frustrated at a company that you are supposed to be getting like makeup things and then you get one makeup item. So I don't know, maybe it's over dramatic, it's not that deep, it's just makeup and skincare really at the end of the day, so it's not a big deal, but I do feel like this is no longer a good fit for me, and I think it's time for me to just call it quits with Boxycharm, which brings me to the last point I was going to mention that I have not mentioned. So with Boxycharm, when you do reviews, you get points that you can use in their charm room, which is their little separate, it's like a little separate part of their website where you can redeem your points for products. The one thing, or the several things that I don't like about the charm room is, number one, every time I try to look up the charm room to redeem my points, half the time it seems like the charm room is closed because they don't do it whenever they are doing the choices and the add-ons for Boxycharm boxes. They don't have it open whenever they are doing their like pop-up sales and all that stuff. So it really feels like I can never catch when it's open. Then whenever I can catch when it's open, there's very few products. I find that there's typically around like 4 to 5 products you can choose from. And also I find that those products typically tend to be either brands I've never heard of, or things that were in my box that I already have, or things that are just kind of the leftover stuff that no one else wanted anyway. So you're using your points to like pay full price for this product that really isn't worth it. So I have over $100 worth of charm point credits in my account that I just can't find anything to spend it on. It's like, I've already got that credit. I want to get something out of worth of those credits, but it's like there's nothing to get. There's nothing I want. I can't ever find when it's open. There's nothing to spend my points on. So it just feels very, very frustrating. I wish you could use those points to redeem for like a free box or something, or get a discount, or if you could even use that towards the things in their pop-up sales or their add-ons or their choices. Like it's like I have all, it's kind of like having a whole bunch of Monopoly money is what it feels like. You have this whole stack of Monopoly money, but what are you gonna do with it? So yeah, okay, that is it for my giant Boxycharm rant video. And please like and subscribe. This is not how most of my videos are like, but I'm just kind of fed up and it had to be said. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please like and subscribe. You can follow me on Instagram, link is below. And until my next video, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.